आपका क्वेश्चन है 4 equal circles each of radius a touch each other, show that the area between them is 6 by 7 a square. Now what they have told you, see that ki there are 4 equal circles which touch each other. That means they are in the shape of like this. And what they have told you, the radius is a. So radius is a. That means from here to here it is a everywhere. Or you can say from here to here it is a. This is also a. And this is also a. And likewise we have to draw like this. Everywhere a is there, radius is a, and we have to find out what area between them. That means this area. We have to find out this area. So now you can see that how this figure is. It's a square. और ये क्या है आपके? These are your 4 quadrants. तो 4 quadrants of equal radius makes a circle. So now we will write that only. Area of a square minus 4 into area of quadrant. And 4 quadrants make a circle. That means now we will do area of a square minus area of a circle. अब इसके फॉर्मूला डालो इसके अंदर, देखो क्या आता है आपका. तो एरिया ऑफ अ स्क्वायर आप देखोगे दैट इज योर साइड स्क्वायर. साइड स्क्वायर माइनस पाई, एरिया ऑफ अ सर्कल इज पाई आर स्क्वायर. नाउ व्हाट इज द साइड? देखो साइड देखो कितना है. हियर टू हियर इट इज योर ए एंड अगेन ए हियर. So that means side is 2a. So we will write here 2a whole square minus pi is 22 by 7. And what is your r? R you can see it's a. So here it will come as a square. अब इसको सॉल्व करो तो देखो क्या आ रहा है. 2 square is 4, a square is a square. Minus 22 by 7 a square. ठीक है. टेक द एलसीएम. एलसीएम इज 7. तो यहां पर क्या आ गया आपका 28 a स्क्वायर माइनस 22 a स्क्वायर. दैट इज इक्वल टू वी कैन से इट्स अ 6 a स्क्वायर बाई 7. तो यही आपको इसमें प्रूव करना है.